Hello everyone, welcome to Chadani Solution. So if you're trying to find a screen recording tools or apps in your on your laptop, try OBS. So it's free. So you don't need to worry. So I just search OBS Studio, download, and then this one OBS project, then download. After that, you're free to use it. So I'm using it in my recordings right now. So it's pretty simple. You can also use it if you want to go live on Facebook, streaming. So yeah, try this out. Thank you so much. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.